In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Midjourney to create stock images. So let's go ahead and get started. When it comes to writing prompts for Midjourney, I have a hard time coming up with the words for it. So what I did was I went to Google and found an image that I like. So this one. And with this image, I'm going to have Midjourney write the prompt for me. So I'm going to show you how to do that. When you're on Discord, just go here and just type in describe. Make sure you have the slash. Describe, hit enter, and we're gonna go to our image and just drag it, drop it in here. All you have to do is hit enter. Now Midjourney is thinking and writing the prompt for us. So here's the 4 prompt that it came up with. I'm gonna take you to the original one. So here's the original prompt that it generated. You can see I did that in November 2023. Don't mind the image. For some reason, after I don't know how long, I want to say a week, 2 weeks, or maybe a month, the image that we uploaded for Midjourney to describe it is gone. That's why it has this image right there. So don't worry about that. All you have to do is click on this, submit, then it will generate it. So for the first one here, these are the image that it generated. So I like that one. This one's too up close. So are these, not that much light here. And then number 2, this one, that prompt generated this one. So I like that one, has the haze. The one thing is it's kind of slanted, so I didn't pick that one. This is the one that I actually but I used this one to generate more images. So this one looks like a Christmas tree. I didn't use that. The clouds, I don't like that. So here's the third one, right? So this one, that one generated this one. Again, it's cool, but nothing too crazy. This one, the space is too small. Look like clouds again. Again, I wanted something like purple. So with this one, I ended up liking this one the most. All I did was upscale it and created 4 more versions of it. So here's Midjourney generating 4 more versions of it, and all of it looks pretty cool. This one looks good. I like the green there. This one maybe not, because this one is kind of out of place. So I end up picking this one, and with that one, number 2, upscale that one, which is this one. So I end up using this one. So here we are in Photoshop. I'm gonna show you the stock image. So that's the image minus the lights. I removed that because when I added the text, since I like this one, what I did was I just went and just copied this and I just replaced the marijuana plant with the fertilizer bag. So I went down here. So I just put bag of fertilizer in an open cultivation space, generated this. Nothing I like. I wanted more bags that are stacked on each other. So I changed instead of bag of fertilizer, I put bags of fertilizer stacked on each other. And I mean, it's not too bad, but not exactly what I wanted. And I changed it to only 3 bags of fertilizer stacked on each other because I didn't want too much like these up here. And then this is the one I use. That's the one I like. So here in Photoshop, you can see the fertilizer bag right there. So that one. Now, even for the ground image, I got that from Midjourney as well. Again, I just copied the same prompt. So this one. But in the beginning, I just put an empty warehouse. So instead of fertilizer bag, I just put empty warehouse. And this is what it came up with. This is the one I use. So every time you find something that you like, just copy it, right? Just copy all that. And in the beginning, just change it out to something different that you want to use in your compositing. And then next, the idea I had was I was going to add some science lab stuff into the design, but I didn't. But same thing, I used the same prompt, but in the beginning, I put Mad Science Lab. And then these are the 4 images that it generated. So I was thinking I was going to use some jars, some, whatever that I could find. But it ended up generating this one, and I like the smoke. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to use that for the glow behind the main image. So this image, I'm gonna show you how I used it in Photoshop. So here, let's disable all this. And you can see the background kind of like that right there. So this one right here. And if you bring back all the layers, so it's that part right there. So just that little bit behind him, just make his image pop out more. And in the image behind the bag, so these smoke, I didn't like the plant, but I like the smoke around it. The same way I generated this smoke, I used for the same thing for this one. So looking at this design, the background was Midjourney, the plant here, plant there, the fertilizer bag, and then the smoke back here, even the ground. That's all generated from Midjourney.